Okay, scary shawarma classic. Oh, I think I've seen this on YouTube before. Scary video. Anyways, let's just most relaxing game of the night. You think so? You haven't even played the game. Sometimes it's relaxing, sometimes it can destroy your level. Wait, no, I meant. Okay, this. What the hell happened to the music? Yo, bro, why is it so laggy, bro? I forgot to jump, bro. No, seriously, bro. And again, bro. How do I get one single extra percent? I give up. Focus. Dun 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 dun. I'm literally getting 1% more every time. Blah, 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 blah. What's the future, folks? Yeah, who knows? Let's just play Wave. Waves. Peppa, Peppa, bow, bow, Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig, how are you, bro? I'm dying. This gonna end? No, I'm just nom 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 nom. This with good clicks. Wait. Hold on, replay. Finally, Harder Space 2, which might be a better sequel. And finally, Harder Space 2. What? And finally, Harder Space. By the way, these are joke levels and are meant to be the harder version of Thinking Space 2, 1, and 3. I didn't know there was a 3 when I made this level. Yeah, these levels were made when Thinking Space was top 1. It still is. died there for some reason. Anyways, bye.